Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to recover your Telegram account. Before jumping right into our video, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll be instantly notified as soon as we post a new video. You might want to recover your Telegram account in case you have lost your phone number and you have a new SIM card with the same number on your hands. Well, if that's the case, you'll be able to recover the account in just a few minutes. It'll be better if you go on with this process using a desktop. Start by opening your Telegram application. Click on Start Messaging and log into your account with your new number. Click on Login using your phone number at the bottom and enter your phone number to log in. Click on the Next button and wait for a code that you receive on your Telegram. Type in the code after you did and you'll be taken to Telegram home screen. If you have a new SIM card, that won't be a problem at all. Just enter the code and you are back to your home screen on Telegram. You'll need to make sure that no one else is using your Telegram account with the phone number that you lost recently. To do so, follow the steps. When you're in the app, look for the three-line hamburger menu on the upper left corner of the screen. Locate the settings button from the menu, and from the settings menu, scroll down a bit and click on Privacy and Security. In this page, under Active Sessions, you can see all the sessions by clicking on Show All Sessions. Among many options, you'll need to find Finish All Other Sessions or Terminate All Other Sessions. Simply click on it and from the pop-up, click on Terminate. Doing this will stop all other sessions and restricts the use of your Telegram account on all the other devices that is not yours. With this, you'll be able to recover your Telegram account even when you have lost your phone. That is all for today. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback.